In the last video, we went over how probability works and how to calculate chance. So in today's video, we're going to be going over a real-life application of probability and calculate the chances of us getting the RGX Vandal in our Valorant shops. So to start off, we first have to find out what the possibilities are and how many skins can actually come to an item shop. So just for example, to start off with the Vandal, there are currently 31 Vandal skins in the game, and you have to subtract 8 because there are currently 8 Battle Pass skins that are Vandals, and you also have to subtract 1 because there is the default Vandal you have to account for. This gives us the total number of Vandals as 22, so there are currently 22 total possible Vandals in the game. We can apply this process to all the guns in the game to find out just how many weapon skins can actually come to the Valorant item shop, but there is actually an alternative method to do so. What you can do instead of counting each of the skins yourself and doing some basic math is you can actually use a great search engine that I highly recommend called Google to actually go ahead and look this up. Once you've looked this up, you'll find that the actual number of skins in the Valorant item shop rotations is actually 245, and this number sadly includes skin sets like the Smite and Horizon, which is actual copium. One way, and the first way we're going to be doing to calculate the probability, is to actually just go ahead and put this 4 over 245 and create a fraction. The way this works is this method will apply if all slots in the daily shop are actually picked at the exact same time, and using this method with all 4 slots being picked at the same time, the chances of the RGX Vandal will be 4 over 245 or 0.0163, which is about 1.63%. That's kind of a low number. However, another method of calculation would actually apply if the daily shop was picked one slot at a time. The way this would be different is the first slot would be 1 over 245 would be the chances of us getting RGX in that slot. The second slot would actually be 1 over 244 because the first slot has actually already been picked and one skin has already been taken out. The next slot would be 1 over 243 and then 1 over 242. Now if you actually go ahead and add all these numbers together, this would be the second method of finding out the chances of getting RGX Vandal in your shop, and it would actually equal around to about 0.0164 or 1.64%, which is just slightly higher than the other method. As I'm working on this video, I now realize that this is probably why I am never getting the RGX Vandal in my item shop. No matter how long I wait or how much I ask Riot for it, I will never actually get this Vandal. I'm Jedi and this is Val Academy, and next episode we're going to be talking about e-girls in Unrated. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Hope you get RGX Vandal in your shops.